So I just wanted to go live today and share some news about the market, specifically the month of September. So September has been a down month for a lot of people, and a lot of people are getting kind of nervous and selling stocks prematurely, and it's really not necessary. So just wanted to share my screen and just show you some things that might give you a little bit of hope and maybe a few strategies that a lot of people can start to use to utilize so you won't be scared of this market. Because one of the things that I'm noticing is, as I share my screen, is a lot of people get nervous when the market is down, and depending on what stock you're investing in, if you're investing in a company like, let's say, Walmart, a company, Apple, Microsoft, Google, some of those, blue chip companies, when the market is down, actually a very good opportunity to buy. And I don't know why people run away when stocks are down, when they're essentially on sale, because any other avenue, we kind of run to sales. When you see that we're having, I don't know, a Black Friday sale or a New Year's sale or back to school sale, people rush to the malls and people rush online to Amazon and places like that because they just cannot wait to get a product that they were already going to buy, but buy it at a discount. So one of the things I want you to look at right here, one of the sites that I like using is FinViz. And so you go here, and this is pretty much the S&P 500, as you can see. And mostly what you see is red. Microsoft is down, Apple's down, Google's down. And there's still time left in the day. I'm in Dallas, Texas. The time is 11:04 a.m. Central Time. So the market might not close as a whole in the red, but if you believed in Apple when it was trading at $124 or 127, I think it reached 134 not too long ago, then you definitely should believe in it when it's trading at $110. It's actually on sale, and I don't know why people will actually run away. The same thing with Google. Google's on sale, Facebook is on sale, Amazon is on sale, especially Microsoft. If you've been following Microsoft, they've made a few acquisitions in the last few months that is really going to benefit them a year or two, 5 years from now. So this is still definitely a good stock to have. And I'm just going to show you a few things. Let's just go with Microsoft stock real quick. Microsoft, if I could type it. All right, Microsoft stock. And I'm just going to show you something real quick. So if you look at the one day, obviously it's down 1.7% today, 3.52 points. But one of the things people don't look at is they only concentrate on short term. And if you're day trading and swing trading, yes. But if you're doing long term, which most people should be doing, you need to look at more of a bigger time scale. So even if you look at the 5 day, 5 days ago, what was it? On September the 17th, it was trading at $200.13. Well, right now it's at 204. So if you just go by the one day, it's like, I probably want to stay away from that. But even if you were looking at it actually on Monday and it was down, all you have to do is be patient because you can see it's back up to 204, uh, which was where it was roughly a week ago. But then you go look at the 1 month chart. It's like, okay, yeah, the 5 days is still kind of short term. So 5 days, when you look at the 5 days, is actually down because it was at 213, now it's at 204. So you probably want to go a little bit farther. Usually 6 months, probably a year or longer, it's a good time scale to get a good indication of a stock. But if you go back 6 months, which is great, around March 25th, and that's when COVID hit, it was at 135, and here we are currently at 204. So if you would have bought this a long time ago, then you'd be in a great position. And so I'm kind of trying to show you this because, yeah, 6 months from now, or definitely a year or 2 years from now, it should be trading a lot higher than 204. So just go look at the 1 year chart. Same thing. It was trading at 137. You can see we're at 204. So, and then if you go look at the 5 year chart, 5 years ago it's at 52, it's at 204. And let's just look at the max. The max, yeah, at one point, 1988, it was trading at 40 cents. Now they're 204. So, just a quick lesson. You could actually use this for any stock if you want to. You could use this for Apple as well. If you look at the one day, it's obviously down. You look at the 5 day, it was at 109. Now it's kind of flat You look at the 1 month, yeah, within the last month, it's actually down from 125 to 109, and it got as high as 134. And a lot of people are running away, which I don't understand why. You should just average down, because if you go a little bit further and look at the 6 months, that hey, we were at 61, now we're at 110. And you go look at the 1 year chart, we went from 55 to 110, so you would have doubled your money. If you look at the 5 year chart, we went from 28 to 110. So yeah, you would have quadrupled your money. And then if you go look at the max, which is probably something crazy, yeah, it was just trading in the cents range. At one point, I guess it was a penny stock, right? All the way up until I don't know, it really didn't take off till about 2015. And it was at $20, $30 a share, and now it's at 110. So I just want people to realize that, and stop, what we call panic selling and selling all your stock. There's no need. If you're a long-term investor, you buy, you hold. If the stocks go down, then you buy at a lower price and you average down your costs. So as always, if anybody got any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'm going to be going live more because I realize people kind of need help and a little bit in guidance. For those interested, you can follow me, the Minority Investor, or Minority_Investor on Instagram. I also have a private Facebook group where I actually help individuals who need individual help. You can look it up. It's called the Minority Investment Group. It's private, so you just can't join. You have to send a request. If you send a request, I will approve it. There's tons of information on there for beginners, intermediate, everything from showing you how IPO works, how to look at balance sheets, income statement sheets, cash flow statements. It's a lot of information on there. So, as always, thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you next time.